Hello, my name is Hamed present my e-commerce final exam. The content of this presentation includes introduction. The introduction is basically everything about the company, the customer value proposition of the company, revenue model, marketplace, main competitors, marketing strategy, organizational structure of the company, the system development life cycle. It includes business objectives, functionalities, information needed for the system to work efficiently, and the hardcode implementation. After that, we have a demo of the system. As design is a business, as fashion design is a business that has been operating for a couple of years in Ghana now. The company operates in the fashion industry and has very influential clients in Ghana and Ivory Coast. The target market of the company is wealthy people, influential politicians, or CEOs that can afford high quality clothes. The chief executive officer is Mr. Alfred Tano, a young Ivorian Nigerian passionate about fashion and art. The company is registered and located in Ghana. The company does not sell in public spaces, so all products are delivered directly to clients. The CEO wants a platform where he can showcase his catalog, get customer to order without him having to go to their place because most of his customers are not willing to come to the shop because of their social positions. The value proposition, the company provides high quality clothes to particular customers in the comfort of their homes. It allows customers to order already made clothes, previous creation, or any clothes in the catalog provided. The revenue model, the company has only one revenue model according to the CEO. They generate revenue through sales of items produced either already made or on measurement and demand. So there is a market space for this industry because fashion is a social phenomenon of significant importance. In some ways, fashion helps depict personality through visual representation. And Ghana has always been fashion forward, even though there has been a considerable Western influence in the field of fashion. The country has always tried to stay true to its authentic style. People in Ghana dress in their traditional uh, attire, and their clothes are mostly handmade. The main competitors, the main competitors, according to my research, because the CEO couldn't identify exactly the main competitors because there are many tailors around in Ghana. So according to the type of business he's running, I think the main competitors are Mona, where the founders are Nana and Ikea Dabanka, and also Chapter 1 Classic by Leslie, because they also sell high quality products to very influential people in Ghana. The market strategy. The market strategy is okay. I did this research on my own, and I think the company adopts a customer-based strategy more than a product-based strategy because it bases their uh, customer management on okay. They make new sales based on what who they produce the product to. Um, the system development life cycle of the business, okay, of the system. It includes the business objectives, the functionalities of the system, and the information needed for the system to run efficiently. For the business objectives, users are supposed must be allowed to see the catalog at their convenience, meaning whenever they want to, the catalog from the system should be available. They should be able to place orders automatically when they identify something they want, so that it will allow the receiver to receive orders without having to go to their place, since they are not willing to come to his place. Users also should be able to make payment in advance. The functionalities of the system. Based on the business objectives, I was able to identify the functionalities. The system needs to identify the users, meaning registration of the users. Users should be able to see the item provided, meaning display catalog on the system. And they should be able to modify their orders and have a payment system that allows them to pay online. Information, those are the information needed for the system to run up. But I couldn't get the catalog from the company. I had to do a markup and look for pictures in order to populate the database and do this demonstration. There's also a payment system. I couldn't identify which kind of payment exactly the CEO wanted. The hard coding implementation. I used product a two-tier architecture because the backend and the database are on the same computer. And for the front end, I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I also use Ajax for the payment system. Then I use PHP for the backend and MySQL for the database. The libraries I use are Bootstrap, Parsley for validation, and jQuery. I also use the Paystack API, and the server I'm using is Heroku. Those are the useful links and the admin credentials. Now we are moving to the demo of the app. Sorry for the background. I'm in a quite noisy place. This is how the index page looks like. So where are the services offered by the business, the description, small description of the business, the value proposition. Because of time, I'm going to log in directly as a normal user. When I hit enter, you see that there is a front-end validation, but I disable some of the criteria for front-end validation because of this test. So this is the display of the front end. You see that I kept the colors from the home page, and it's the same colors throughout my application. You can have the shop, here are the items, and you can add to cart, view item, just view this item. You can see this, and also the description of the item. You can add the item to your cart. When you see that the item has been added, you can continue shopping. Let's add this other item to the cart that's been added. You go there, you get to see all of this. You can increase the item and the total price also increases. I disable the total price. Let's make the payment and see how it works. The price was 2,009. And see in the payment too. This takes a little more time. Let's log in as an admin. To the credentials. Admin credentials. You can see there are also backend validations. Here you can see the admin side. There is the quantity, the total paid, the sales. This includes all the payment details. You can edit the status of the item. It means all these orders are completed. You can also cancel items. To change the status of the item, if they are gone now. You can add product here with this model. Choose a picture and the product will be added here. The admin can also edit his profile. Here you can see it is already filled. And for example, let's change Tano. Let's add sample to Tano. And Alfred. Save changes. So you can see the number of users here. And because of time, I'll have to stop and send the source code. Thank you.